And now, for closing remarks, please welcome back Chief Executive Officer of SAFE, Avery Ash.
Thank you. As our first day comes to a close, I want to thank everyone here for your time, first and foremost, your insights, and also your willingness to engage with issues that are as complex as they are consequential. Over the course of today's sessions, one thing has become particularly clear to me. The systems that are the foundation of our economy, energy, materials, infrastructure, they can no longer be taken for granted. They are no longer in the background. They are now at the center of conversations around global competition, national security, and technological leadership. Today, we've explored how artificial intelligence is reshaping energy demand, how geopolitical choke points can disrupt global oil markets, and how supply chains for critical minerals are both the bedrock of our competitiveness and also extraordinarily fragile. We've heard from leaders working to rebuild industrial capacity, modernize transmission, and rethink how we resource, recycle, and secure the minerals and materials that power everything from vehicles to defense systems. But perhaps the most important takeaway is that resilience is not something that we can assume is in place. It is something we must purposefully build. Resilience requires coordination across sectors, the economy, coordination between the public and private sectors, and in short, a willingness to look beyond those investments that seem efficient in the short term to more thoughtful investments in what will also create security for tomorrow. There is no single solution to the challenges we discussed. Instead, progress is going to come from the cumulative impact of many decisions about where we build, what we prioritize, and how we work across industries, across the nation, and across the world with our allies and partners. Though it is a dangerous world out there, and we are actively engaged in competition for the economic and geopolitical leadership of this world, there is a reason for optimism. The innovation, urgency, and leadership represented in our nation, with our allies in this room and on stage today, make clear that we are not standing still. Together, there is a large number of institutions, leaders, and individuals working to address these challenges and to secure a more prosperous and robust future. The question now is not whether change is coming. It is a question of whether we will choose to lead. Based on today's conversations, I would suggest that we will. I do want to make sure we give another thank you to our Tier 1 sponsors here today, Panasonic Energy, Italco, Eolian, Novandino, ExxonMobil, and also a special thank you to Newmont and South 32 for sponsoring our reception, which will start here in just a moment. Huge thank you to the SAFE team, huge amount of tireless effort in the months leading up to this and here today. We will close it out here tomorrow with a push over the finish line. And a big thank you to Robbie Diamond, who founded this organization 20 years ago, and the testament to its success and its longevity, I think, can be seen here today. Robbie had the foresight to get us involved in many of the issues that you see on stage here today, and to assemble the sort of team that is able to make the sorts of transformations we discussed actually happen. And of course, thank you to you again for being here today and for continuing this conversation with us here tomorrow. I hope you'll join me at the reception now. Thank you.